Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Oppo Reno 5 5G aka OPPO Find X3 Lite mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back card on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the SIM tray. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 18 screws. Using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not talking battery by loosening the adhesive. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides, and then pry both adhesive tabs from the sides. Next, gently pull the left hand side battery with the tab, and then the right hand side battery with the tab. This battery is a kind of dual battery with a single connector. Now, take out the not talking battery from the body. Next, place the new battery and secure the adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the mid frame by adding 18 screws. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.